Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, we are in the community of Trillium, which is in Richmond, Texas. This beautiful home that we are viewing is built by Tri Point Homes. It is called the Falcon. The Falcon is a one-story, four-bedroom, three-bath home. It is a little over 2,500 square feet, and the starting price is going to be in the low $500,000 range. Now, the schools that this home is currently zoned to are James Patterson Elementary, David Crockett Middle School, and William B. Travis High School. If you have any questions regarding this home, this builder, or any other real estate questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will be more than happy to answer them for you. Also, do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly tours. Enjoy the rest of the tour.